Okay, good morning, all of you. Coordination chemistry, applications of coordination complexes in biological systems. In the previous video, we have discussed the applications of coordination compound, generally industrial applications of coordination complexes in metallurgy, removing lead poisoning, all we discussed. But here in biological system, how the coordination compounds are used in biological system. The very most important applications of coordination complex is RBC, red blood corpuscles, is composed of hemigroup. In hemigroup, the central metal ion is Fe2 plus ion. Central metal ion is ferrous ion. The coordination number of Fe2 plus ion is 6. The coordination number 6 indicates that there are 6 bonds around the central metal ion. Among the 6 bonds, 4 bonds are occupied by nitrogen of porphyrin ring structure. Nitrogen of porphyrin ring structure. This ring structure is porphyrin ring structure. 5th bond is occupied by nitrogen of histidine amino acid. Histidine amino acid. 5th bond is occupied by nitrogen of histidine amino acid. The 6th bond is vacant. That vacant bond is used to carry oxygen from the lungs to diffuse and carbon dioxide from the diffuse to lung. So, the hemoglobin, the hemigroup, is used to carry oxygen. It is used as a oxygen carrier from lungs to diffuse, and in the same 6 coordinate position, the Fe2 plus ion carry carbon dioxide from disease to lung. The elaborate structure of the full structure of hemoglobin, the hemigroup, now we are going to discuss. This is the structure of hemigroup in hemoglobin. When you see the central metal ion in this hemigroup is Fe2 plus ion. Fe2 plus ion. Coordination number of ion is 6. Coordination number of ion is 6. Among the 6 coordinate position, 4 positions are occupied by nitrogen of porphyrin ring structure. Left 2 nitrogen, right 2 nitrogen. The 4 nitrogens are the 4 coordinate positions are occupied by 4 nitrogen of porphyrin ring. And the 5th coordinate position is occupied by the nitrogen of histidine ring structure. The 5th position is occupied by nitrogen of histidine ring structure. So, among the 6 coordinate position, 5 positions are occupied by nitrogen. And see above, the 6th position is vacant. The 6th position is vacant. That position used to carry oxygen from the lungs to diffuse and carbon dioxide from the diffuse to lungs. So, when the Fe2 plus ion carry Oxygen from the lungs, its color is red blood color, red in color. It gives the oxygen to the cell in which combustion reaction of food takes place. Which one is used to remove the oxygen or receive oxygen from hemoglobin? Myoglobin. The myoglobin present in cell receive oxygen from the hemi group, from the Fe2 plus, and the Fe2 plus, whenever it carry oxygen to different tissues, its color is red in color. When it return back to the lungs, it collect all the carbon dioxide from the lungs, and the color of the blood Fe2 plus hemigroup turns to purple in color. So Fe carry oxygen, red color. Fe2 plus carry carbon dioxide, becomes purple in color. What type of reaction takes place in all of our tissues? In all of our tissues, burning reaction, combustion reaction takes place. What we ate, that is undergo combustion in cell tissues. For the combustion, oxygen is needed. That oxygen is carried by hemigroup, and that oxygen used to burn all the carbohydrate proteins what we ate from in our food. On burning, converted into carbon dioxide and water. Heat is, energy is stored in the form of heat. So this is about the structure of hemoglobin. Remember, the central metal ion in hemoglobin is Fe2 plus ion. The second very most important application of coordination complexes in biological system is chlorophyll. We have number of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. We know chlorophyll is a green pigment. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in all types of plants and alga. We know what is the use of chlorophyll. Plants prepare their own food by absorbing carbon dioxide from atmosphere and moisture from atmosphere or water from the roots of plant in presence of chlorophyll. In presence of chlorophyll, using sunlight, they prepare their own food C6 H10O5 enzymes storage, and also liberate pure oxygen to the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, presence of carbon dioxide in atmosphere makes air pollution, and this is main gases in two-wheeler exhaust, industrial fumes, and this is the main gas for global warming. So all the plant in the world, they absorb the harmful carbon dioxide and prepare their own food along with their food to the atmosphere. It gives pure oxygen. So plant is called natural purifier. Only the natural purifier in the world is plant. Chlorophyll in this reaction acts as a photosensitizer. Carbon dioxide and water is not capable of absorbing sunlight directly. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight directly, and the light is used by carbon dioxide and water to prepare their own food. And the detailed structure of chlorophyll with the central metal ion magnesium 2 plus, that we are going to discuss. And all the magnesium 2 plus is the central metal ion. The central metal ion, the central metal ion in chlorophyll is Mg2 plus ion, coordination number 4. Coordination number 4. That detailed structure we are going to discuss now. You are seeing the structure of chlorophyll, a green pigment present in green plants and alga. Is a coordination complex containing Mg2 plus ion as central metal ion is surrounded by coordination number of magnesium 2 plus is 4. Here is surrounded by modified porphyrin ligand called Corin ring. Magnesium 2 plus ion is at the center. All the 4 coordination sites are occupied by the 4 nitrogen of modified porphyrin ring, and that porphyrin ring is called Corin ring. We know the uses of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll used as a photosensitizer. Chlorophyll used as a photosensitizer. So chlorophyll is capable of absorbing sunlight directly, and it absorbs the sunlight and then it gives a light to photon of light to carbon dioxide and water. Both the carbon dioxide and water are not capable of absorbing sunlight directly. Photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of sunlight, photon of energy. But carbon dioxide and water are the reactant, they are not capable of absorbing the sunlight directly. For that purposes, chlorophyll helps these two reactants in order to react by supplying sun energy, white light to these two reactants. We know as a result of photosynthesis, plant prepare their own food and liberate pure oxygen. In nature, chlorophyll is called air purifier. It absorbs the harmful carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and prepare their own food and give out very pure oxygen again to the atmosphere. All the carbon dioxide are completely removed by plant. We know if carbon dioxide increases, the global warming also increases. So plants involved in reducing the global warming also. So this is one of the very most important uses of this magnesium 2 plus chlorophyll, a coordination compound. And the third important use of coordination complexes in biological system is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, the chemical name is cyanocobalamin. Cobalamin. It is the only vitamin which contain metal ion cobalt plus is the metal ion present in vitamin B12. The vitamin B12 structure we are going to discuss. The vitamin B12 is present in egg, meat and fish. The function of vitamin B12 is it is a coenzyme in amino acid metabolism. It acts as a coenzyme in the amino acid metabolism, in red blood cell maturation, and deficiency of vitamin B12 causes pernicious anemia. That is vitamin B12. Cyanocobalamin, or simply it is also called cobalamin. The central metal ion is cobalt and it is in +1 oxidation state. At the same time, Cobalt coordination number is 6 and 5 bonds are occupied by nitrogen of different modified 4-pyridine ring, and 6th position is occupied by one side chain that we are going to discuss. And this is the structure of vitamin B12, also called cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin. Cobalt Cu plus is at the center. The coordination number of cobalt is, we know, 6. And among the 6 positions, 5 positions are occupied by nitrogen of different ring. That a different ring here is called porphyrin like ligands. Porphyrin like ligands. And there is one side chain R is also attached to the central metal ion cobalt plus. Vitamin B12 is the only vitamin which consists of the metal ion, The fourth application of coordination complexes in biological system. Many enzymes are known to be metal complexes. Many enzymes, the organic catalyst, the catalyst used in our biological reactions takes place in our body. Many enzymes are known to be metal complexes. Many enzymes. Enzyme name mostly end with N. Many enzymes are known to be metal complexes. Coordination complexes. They regulate the biological processes. For example, the carboxypeptidase, one of the enzyme, carboxypeptidase. The name of the enzyme is a protease enzyme. That hydrolytic enzyme important in digestion, containing a zinc ion coordinated to the protein. A zinc 2+ ion coordinated to the protein. So, most of the enzymes are metal complexes, coordination complexes. For example, carboxypeptidase is a protease enzyme, that hydrolytic enzyme important for digestion, containing zinc coordinated to the protein. So, these are the biological systems containing the coordination compound. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.